was two of these. These were launched in 1977 and are still functional spacecraft, so we're still doing science with these. So the original mission, the intent was these were going to go out past Jupiter and Saturn, out to about Neptune, and that was the original mission. But when they got that far out, the spacecraft were still functional, and so they extended the mission, and the mission that they were addressing after getting out to Neptune was, if you look at the plane that's represented by the planets in our solar system, that's called the ecliptic plane. And so as our solar system moves through space, it's just like a ship going through water, in the sense that it literally sets up a bow shock and a wake as it moves through interstellar space. And so they repurposed the two Voyager spacecraft to actually look at undisturbed interstellar space. So again, as we're moving through interstellar space, one of the Voyagers went out through that plane, and at this point in time is actually outside the bow shock of our solar system, moving through space. The other one, the second one, when it got out to Neptune, they did a little gravitational assist maneuver and actually brought that up so that it's looking back down on our solar system. So that one hasn't quite cleared our wake yet, but the expectation is so it will clear the wake, get into interstellar space, and then actually being looking down at our solar system. So again, launched in 1977. One of the things that's really interesting to me is about the Voyager spacecraft. We're all familiar with the speed of light, so the speed of light is fast enough that you literally go all the way around the Earth about 8.5 times every second. So even at those kind of speeds, the round trip to these Voyager spacecraft at this point in time is about 33 hours. So if I'm going to say hello to Canute, he's on the Voyager. By the time he gets the signal, says hello back, it's at least 33 hours. So that's amazing. So the other thing to point out real quick, and as you can probably tell, there's just lots and lots of stories to tell about the Voyagers and the other spacecraft that we have out. But this was the one that Carl Sagan was instrumental in basically putting all of those voices. So we had our, LP albums, if you will, that went out into space. Okay, you have to look pretty hard on Earth even to find these anymore. But so this is what went out into space, what the voices, the pictures. The other thing I find interesting is there's a map here that tells you how to get back to Mother Earth. So we're hoping that everybody's good guys, the nice guys out there, and bad guys come back.